Hey guys, OnePlus just launched OnePlus SE3 aka OnePlus 12R in China and OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R globally launched in India 23 January 2024. The smartphone comes with three beautiful colors, golden, black and blue. Let me know in the comment section below which color you guys like it. First talk about the box content. You can get some paperwork, one sticker, SIM ejector tool, one USB Type-C cable and 100-watt fast charger. Then our smartphone and one beautiful case. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution BOE x 180 LTPO 120Hz OLED display, and the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness has OnePlus 12. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass Big Touch front and back with aluminum frame, and the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0, and the Antutu score is 1.74 million. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14. In the camera department, the smartphone comes with triple camera setup. 50MP Sony IMX890 Plus OIS has a main camera, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro shooter, and the front is come with single 16MP selfie camera. And here is some picture sample, and as you can see that all the images look like too much good. Let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus SE3 picture sample? In the battery department, the phone also comes with a bigger battery more than OnePlus 12. The phone comes with 5500 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging. The phone also comes with IP64 rating, studio speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, and the smartphone starting price is 2599 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage, which is almost 30,800 rupees in India, which is very good pricing I think. So let me know in the comment section your thought. That's for today video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.